I love traveling, but I don't like spending a lot. I love to try different cuisines, but I'm a picky eater. I love dressing up, but I don't want to pay excess luggage fees. I'm not a photographer, but I love capturing beauty. I hate uncertainty, but I love the unique and intoxicating feeling of a new culture. I love the feeling of being anonymous in a city I've never been to. I'm constantly in search for places that take my breath away. Are you like me? Life is short. What are you waiting for? Come and follow where my wandering heart takes me and explore the world the Paueewanders way.